Because then the second shoe would fall. Three pins were slammed.
What the actual fuck?
You, over, turn it off.
Hey?
Turn the car off now. Yeah, I've been rammed into. Yes, received. Can I have this pursuit authorised, please? Start exploring tactical options. I have been rammed to the rear, but I'm okay to continue. Speed is 4.8. I am going to keep this medium risk. Takes offside. Narrowly avoid Bravo Foxtrot 17. Can't get the rest of the index.
Is it still medium risk?
No, I'm now going to make this high risk due to us entering Aveley High Street. Speed currently 30.
That's one. Can I have an update, please? DRA.
Yeah, it's just stand by. Okay, it's now left onto Ship Lane. Okay, we've overtaken a. Sorry, I've just been brake checked. We've overtaken a bus. It's no inconvenience caused to other road users. People can see him coming. Okay, it's not one. It's not two. Breaches a red ATS, but shows caution. Okay, takes a third. We're now at the A282 Dartford River crossing. Okay, we're just passing junction 2. Comms issues. Vehicle is committed M25. Track A towards junction 3. Still lane 4-4. Speed 5.5. Still going to keep us low risk. We're not doing anything else at the moment to progress. Weaving over lane 4.
Yeah, received it. Never driving.
Advanced warning of a junction, standby. Okay, vehicle's taking the off slip, A2.
Keep the vehicle on, stop it taking the Wayne Scott. He's not liking it. Oh, contact. Vehicle spun out. Stand by.